Okay. And just like that, I have to go to the bathroom. I'm not gonna do it though because I think I just got the first wave. Okay. Not there. Cool. I don't know why I'm just right now not into it right now. I woke up at 4 in the afternoon. That's normal. Parts and service is our next job. It's cold. Grab and release. Push buttons. For what? Make repairs.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated.
Oh, that's sad.
First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
On my left. Left and the left.
Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Firmly grasp it.
Deposit the right eye in the cleaning receptacle on your right. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully press the two buttons located on either side of Bonnie's jaw. When done correctly, you should hear two small clicks.
Two small clicks. Don't kill me.
Well done. You now have access to Bonnie's harmonization module.
Oh, it's weathered Bonnie.
Press the blinking button inside Bonnie's secondary throat pipe to enter calibration mode.
Why is that the secondary throat pipe?
Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio check. Press the colored button that corresponds to the incorrect note.
Okay. Jeez. Yikes. They are a bit out of tune, buddy. This one.
Press the blinking button again to verify your work. Great job.
Yay.
Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo. Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
Wall. Hold up. Moving this closet door so I can... That was silly. What am I doing? What am I doing? Uh-oh. Oh, second coin. Great. And there's something in my way as well. What am I doing? Faceplate? I wasn't listening. Whoops. Uh-oh. I did not follow instructions, I'm sorry. I was not paying attention. I saw coins, I went for the coins. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Watch me go.
Oh, no. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
You know why Weathered Bonnie's the way he is? I failed it at the first thing. That's now hiring and I should be quiet. I did not fail that. What are you talking about?
Welcome back
the cannon
to Parts
one
and Service.
is where I fail.
Oh no, it looks great job.
I was like a much
Deposit the left eye. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove. Deposit the right eye in the cleaning. Good job. To open Bonnie's faceplate, carefully. Well done. You now. Something is not right. Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
Okay, I'll listen this time. Oh. thought it would be the same one. I thought it would be the same.
Welcome back to
Okay,
Parts and Service. Great job. Deposit the well done. Now, for deposit the right up. Good job. Well done. Something is not right. One of those notes is out of tune. You may push the button again to replay the audio. Press the blinking button again to verify your work.
Okay, this time it's right. This time I'll get it correct.
Great job. Bonnie is in tune and ready for his solo.
Good.
Let's close him up. Simply replace both eyes in the same order that you removed them, then close up the faceplate, and we'll call it a day.
I'm cold. In the same order I took them out. Okay. So, we did the left one first. Put it there. And the right one. Right there. And cut it.
Well done. That concludes your parts and services task. See you next time.
I'm still looking for like VHSs and coins. Yeah, this is not gonna be hard. It's just parts and service. Just do my job. Oh, sweet. Bonnie. You look silly. Yay! Man, he's bouncy. Why is he bouncy? Okay. Chica. We're not gonna do Foxy, are we? There's no reason to do Foxy. Grab all the stuff. All the good stuff. Hi, Chica.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Right.
There have been customer complaints about Chica's acrid smell. Sounds like Chica has been rummaging around the kitchen again. Remove all food particles from Chica's exterior and place it in the refuse bin on your right.
What? Gosh, I can't listen, dude. It told me to grab something and put it in this garbage bin. That's gross. I'm going to assume it says grab the pizzas. There you go, you look pretty already.
Good job. Make sure Chica is not hiding any other treats inside her beak. To open her beak, carefully press the two buttons located on the sides of Chica's head.
Okay. Boop. Boop.
Oh no, it looks like Chica has picked up some unwanted friends. To clear the infestation, apply the Fazbear Entertainment restaurant grade chemi spray to Chica's exterior. Press the button under the hanging canister to activate the chemi spray. Avoid inhaling the chemi spray. Exposure to cleaning, disinfecting, and maintenance chemicals may result in respiratory problems, skin, or eye irritation. Good job. Now reattach Chica's upper arm, hand, and cupcake plate.
What? Upper arm, hand, and cup. Okay. Chica, don't get mad at me, there's still a cockroach. Why are you looking at me? There you go.
Well done. Oh no, it looks like Chica needs another dose of the chemi spray. Do not let the infestation spread. Be sure to give the canister button another push as needed.
I will.
Return the cupcakes to Chica's plate.
What?
Please place the cupcake on the plate.
Gotcha.
Great job. Chica is ready to serve pizza and hugs to the kids again.
Hooray!
Take a complimentary slice of pizza for a job well done.
Oh.
Delicious. See you next time.
Yay. Ow. I think there's something in there and I didn't grab it. Well, too late now. Do I get chicken now? I want chicken. It's not Chica. That is Freddy. Good old Freddy. Hey, Freddy. Yeah. Man, I am so gross right now. Okay. If this is gonna be this quick, I have to do something else. Freddy. Ugh, still cold. And having to use the bathroom. Gotta do the stinky leg.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
Hi, Freddy.
It looks like one of
Did
our
you eat a
guests
child?
left a personal item on our star attraction.
Did they leave it?
Let's return it to the Lost and Found. Carefully grab and remove the child's hat from Freddy's mouth.
Okay.
Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it.
Yep.
Give it another firm tug.
Really?
Good job.
Oh, thank
Now
you.
place the hat in the Lost and Found bin on your right.
Oh, okay, I thought this was actually the garbage.
While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else stuck inside. To access Freddy's
Okay.
chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards.
Okay. Da 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 da. Don't mind me. Gotta fix your tie.
Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the Lost and Found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
No. Don't do that. Oh. Well, I wasn't very careful. Yeah, I'm sorry. I'll do it after this. We are hit. Hello. I think. I just don't think this is kind of normal. Oh, there we are. Okay. Okay, well, here we go. That was weird. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction.
Now.
Let's return it to the Lost and Found.
Am I small? What just happened?
Carefully grab and remove the child's hat from Freddy's mouth.
Okay.
Freddy's got a pretty good hold of it. Good job.
Oh.
Now place the hat in the Lost and Found bin. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't anything else
That's
stuck
crazy. Why
inside.
did it freeze up like
To
that?
access Freddy's chest cavity, grab Freddy's bow tie and pull it outwards.
Outwards.
Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the Lost and Found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring.
Okay. Okay. Yeet.
Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe.
That.
Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends.
For the safe. What? Oh god, okay. This?
Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left.
Okay. Broken.
Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton.
Okay, don't.
Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the Lost and Found bin. Well done.
Who'd you eat?
Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day.
Why not a new one? Are you sure you want me to make this one?
Oh no! You seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good.
It's not.
A replacement may be found on the work table. A slow and even pace is recommended. A slow and even pace is recommended.
Okay. Slow and even pace. I'm gonna get you a new one, Freddy. Oh, he's playing the song. Maybe give me some time. Okay. I did follow instructions. I didn't know I had to be slow. Because you know, every other time I get to go and then go slow.
Welcome back to Parts and Service.
So small?
It looks like one of our guests left a personal item on our star attraction. Freddy's got a good job. Now place the hat in the lost. While we're at it, let's make sure there isn't. Well done. Freddy's chest cavity is now open. Remove the child's watch and place it in the lost and found bin. Be careful not to touch any of Freddy's sensitive wiring. Good job. It appears there is a child's shoe wedged behind Freddy's music box. The music box must be removed before you can access the child's shoe. Gently grasp the music box and extract it from Freddy's chest cavity before the safety latch descends. Carefully place the music box on the work table to your left.
I'll just move slow just in case.
Great job. To reset the safety latch, press the button located on Freddy's endoskeleton.
Boop.
Now, remove the child's shoe and place it in the lost and found bin.
Okey-doke. Yes, sir. Boop.
Well done. Return the music box to Freddy's chest cavity, and we'll call it a day.
It's gonna make... I bet it's gonna force me to drop it. So I'm just gonna prepare a new one, just in case it makes me drop it.
Oh no! You seem to have mishandled Freddy's music box. This is not good. A replacement may be found on the work table. A slow and even pace is recommended. Crisis averted.
Yay!
To close Freddy's chest cavity, press the large black button on the center of Freddy's face.
His nose? What? Okay.
That concludes your time in Parts and Service.
That made me happy.
Your pay will be docked accordingly.
My pay ducked. Oh. Okay. At least it made me poop. I forgot about pooping. I tried to do it in the FNAF 1 week, and then I didn't do it ever again. Yay. Who's next? I just don't believe
The Fazbear Virtual Experience is a robust title, but it almost never made it to market.
Why are you
The first development team had a lot of problems, made some sloppy mistakes, and was eventually pulled from the project. For that reason, we recommend that you avoid any comments, notes, or warnings that may have been left behind by previous development teams. We assure you that they are wholly untrustworthy.
Well, I'm just impressed. I'm just impressed how I did that. Ball in. That was weak. Okay. Foxy it is. Here we go. How is Parts and Service gonna go? Grab, release, push, make repairs. Cool. Let's do our job. This is pretty.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. This series of simple repairs should return him to full working condition. First, carefully pick up and place Foxy's head on his endoskeleton.
Carefully. Hey, smooch. Boop.
Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning. It is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle.
Leg?
To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse.
Okay. What colors are your legs? All red. I have 2. So I'm gonna want this one. Okay. Pitter patter. Pitter patter.
Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Oh boy. Pitter patter, swing, do something so I don't die. Where do I put this? Oh, I guess I just gotta do the correct one. 3 green, 2 blue, 3 blue. Nope. Oh, I guess it would be in 2. This one. 3 blue, 3. Okay. Uh-oh. That's just not good. Wait. Wait. Whoa, bang! Dang. He moved. I was too slow. My reaction time to when he stopped was a bit too slow, so he moved. Okay.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Foxy has been out of commission for quite some time. Oh no, it looks like Foxy's proprietary servo motors are malfunctioning.
Okay,
it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times. You will need to place new control fuses in the exposed receptacles to continue. Retrieve the fuse from drawer number 1 that matches Foxy's leg receptacle. To avoid bodily harm, wait for Foxy's legs to stop moving before inserting the control fuse.
Green and red. Green and red right there. Great. Gotta go over my bed frame. Grab it. Yikes. Careful, buddy. Pitter patter. Oh.
Good job. Foxy has regained control of his legs. A gentle reminder, it is recommended that you keep an eye on Foxy at all times.
Why?
Oh no, it looks like a former employee attempted to repair Foxy's chest motor using an incorrect fuse. Carefully, remove the incorrect fuse from Foxy's chest and insert it into Foxy's upper arm receptacle.
Upper arm receptacle. Oh, it does match. Okay. Okay, buddy, you gotta chill. Okay, go. Whew. Okay, move your arm, because that one's like the most hyperactive. Okay, and now.
Well done. The remaining chest fuses are located in drawers number 2 and number 4. Fix both fuses to continue.
Okay, 2 and 4. Gotta keep an eye on you. The chest is number 2, so green, blue, skinny red. Okay, right there. Okay. I can't grab it. I don't think I can grab that one. Just gotta like, get down and act like I'm proposing to you. Alex, do you mind if like I can't reach that? The bed frame's in the way, and it's like it's at the bottom, so I can't really reach down. Oh, look at that. Problem solved. Don't mouth at me, mister. Okay. Why is my left hand? Okay. Okay. Trigger. And... Okay. Now it's 2 green 2. Closest to me. Okay. Move.
Good job. Retrieve Foxy's eye from drawer number 3. When Foxy's eye patch is fully open, place the eye back into his eye socket.
Cool. Dude, you have to like give me more room to do this. I can't do it. Where's the eye? Oh. I assume I need to give you the matching eye. So. When it stops, the thing that opens.
Well done.
Okay.
This concludes all your parts and service tasks. Pirate Cove can now be reopened.
Really? Are you sure? Are you sure? Doesn't really seem to be. Okay, well, I'm over here. Yeah, I'm gonna have to like expand my boundary a lot. Yay. In order to do a lot of the stuff. I'm not really exactly sure how long that was. That was easy. What's our night times like? Is it a rave? Like, okay. Okay, I want to try the dark rooms. At least, like, because I'm not gonna do push baby. That's like gonna take too long. Yeah, where's the X? How close is the X? I feel like they're gonna move it to like even closer. Okay. But you gotta move. Really? You took way too long to move to the right. Ah. Don't know where he is. Yeah, actually, wait a bit. To the left. Darn it. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna have to just do it. Nope. It takes long to move. Where am I? I don't know, dude. I don't know where you are. The thing still's loose on my head. And now it's gonna give me a headache for being too tight, but like, whatever. I hope I got someone. I hope I did. I'm the jump scare. It's me. It's me. Okay. Oh, I have to start it? Okay. Okay. The first light shines. It begins. Okay, yeah, he's gonna take a sweet old grand time to get to me. Okay, then I have. Does he have set times when he moves? Because that was like almost the same time when he did the last time. Okay, left to right, whichever one. Just gotta press the button at the right time. The right time is now. It was not the right time. Honestly, when I aimed the flashlight down, I thought I died. I died. Luckily, I just have to press the button. What kind of soda is this one? Chica Chug. Chica Chug Jug. I think it's time for FNAF to come into Fortnite. No, please. It probably will happen, but like... Okay. Do Nightmare Balloon Boy, and then I'm not gonna do plush babies. Absolutely not. Not the plush babies. The plush babies might be its own video because of how hard that one was. Wait. What? Don't know what balloons are gonna do, I just have to time me right. I don't even have to flash the light at you in order to stop you. Oh, there's a timer. It's hiding the timer? That's evil. Okay, I think it was on the right. Hello. Yeah, he's been a lot faster, so I need to be like quicker in my responses. One, two, three.
Hello. Hi.
Oh, that's so close. It was on 4. Dang it. I was counting. I was counting. Like between each one. Purging system. What? What are you doing to my... I don't think I've ever... I remember feeling something in here. I don't... Like... When I do this, I don't feel anything, but when I do this with the TV... Why does it do that? Jump scare! Okay. He moves a lot quicker. So, okay, start.
Hello.
Okay, yeah. It's like every 4 he gets the move. 2, 4. Yeah, he's moving out like every 4. Okay, yeah. Next 4. What is this?
Hello? Hi.
Move, you stupid balloon! Not that I need to, but like still. 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. See? It's 4. It's every like 4 he gets to move. Like, there's no way I did not just prove it like that. Okay, that's cuckoo. Wait, I want to do this again. This is funny. Prepare. Nah, I thought it would fade out faster. Okay. Oh, okay. I got to press the back of the button thing, too. What? Okay, and... What? Hey. What? Are you straight? 1, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. I need to cut it like half before I say 4. 2, 3.
Hello?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
1, 2, 3. You have to come out at some point. 1, 2, 3. This isn't hard. I have it down. It's like every 4. And when I count to 4, I need to press the button. And I don't have to press the joystick, which is great because that's annoying. It feels like I'm gonna break the thing doing that. 2.
Hello?
Didn't even move. 3, 4. Okay, he moved. 4. I wasn't counting. Okay, he hasn't moved. I'll just give him like forever.
Hello?
Did he go into that door? 'Cause that's not good at 50 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3.
Hi.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Come on. 1, 2.
Hello?
Well. Okay. Well, timing's gonna be very difficult. Like 4, every 4, every 4. But it's only a dream. I know it's a dream. I know it's a dream. Okay, start.
Hi.
5, because that's a definite, like, he's off.
Hello?
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm giving him 5. Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Boom. Easy. Meh, 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 meh. Give him a seizure. Give him a seizure. Okay, epic. Is this butter? It's just butter. Why'd I get just butter? Where's the popcorn? I don't think butter goes crunch. Unless it's like, I don't know, super stale or something. How do you do? In the way that, I mean, how do you do what you're doing? How do you do what you're doing? That's gonna be terrible. Then I guess the normal nights in a weird way. And then we do some front repairs. This doesn't even feel like a long FNAF video. I feel like I need to do even more, but I'm not doing Plush Baby. That's gonna take too long. So,